when the UPPCS or the commission generally releases the application form. Okay, so when you start filling the form, there's a one little difference. Okay, so the basic eligibility first we are going to talk about. The basic eligibility is your simply graduation. Basic eligibility is simple your graduation in any stream. To fill the form, है ना, like there are the some post in any stream. First, let me write it down. In any stream. Okay, what does that mean? That means simple to fill the form. Like these are the administrative and the welfare education board. You simply need the basic graduation. Either it can be the science stream BSc, either it can be the arts stream BA or the commerce. Any stream it will be. Like it should be proper the graduation. There is not we are talking about the diploma and degree. No, the basic education is your the basic requirement for the filling the form is your graduation. That is from the any stream. But there's a one thing a little bit which we need to know. Like when you fill the application form, there are like some of the posts are like open for any stream for the background, but there are some of the posts जैसे कि social development या child welfare या फिर like there are so many specific posts which require just law की एक post आती है, in which when you fill the form after that there's a requirement like you tick the form like what are your specifications. जैसे कि chemical जैसे कि scientific officer की post होती है, generally they are preferred, like उसमें होता है in the form only you tick the okay you have the graduation with the science or the chemistry, or then you comes with the laws, like some of the commercial वाली उसमें आता है you have done the BCom, right? So these are the some kind of a specification for the specific post only. But for such administrative post ऐसा नहीं है कि suppose that like 500 posts हैं and for all the posts you need like different level of specification in your graduation. No, इसमें आपकी सपोज है जो आपकी 200 पोस्ट है which are for the administrative, it is just random numbers guys, it is not something the calculative, or it's not, again I'm telling you, it is not something the issued by the notification. No, it is just random number. I'm trying to explain the basic educational qualification required for the filling of the form. Okay.